Citrix Hypervisor and VMware ISC are both leading Type 1 hypervisors, designed to run directly on hardware and manage multiple virtual machines, VMs, efficiently. Each has strengths and trade-offs, making them suitable for different use cases depending on organizational needs, budget, and technical requirements. Below is an in-depth comparison across key aspects. 1. Overview. 1. Citrix Hypervisor, formerly Zen Server, built on the open-source Zen project Hypervisor. Citrix Hypervisor is a bare metal virtualization platform tailored for enterprise workloads, particularly those tied to Citrix's ecosystem, like Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops. Known for its simplicity, cost-effectiveness, and integration with desktop virtualization, VDI solutions offers a free version with basic features and paid editions, Standard, Premium, for advanced capabilities. 2. VMware ISC, part of VMware's vSphere suite. ISC is a lightweight, industry-leading Type 1 hypervisor renowned for its performance, scalability, and extensive ecosystem. Widely adopted in enterprise data centers, it's designed for broad virtualization needs, from server consolidation to cloud infrastructure. Offers a free version with limited features and requires licensing via vSphere for advanced functionality. 2. Architecture and core technology. 1. Citrix Hypervisor, based on the Zen Hypervisor, which uses a microkernel design, allowing for efficient resource allocation and isolation. Supports paravirtualization for modified guest OS and hardware-assisted virtualization for unmodified OS, optimizing performance for specific workloads. Integrates with Zen Center, a Windows-based management tool for configuring and monitoring VMs and hosts. 2. VMware ISC uses a proprietary microkernel architecture, purpose-built for virtualization, with a small footprint, 150 megabytes, for minimal overhead. Supports hardware-assisted virtualization and offers advanced features like vMotion, live VM migration, and distributed resource scheduler, DRS, when paired with vCenter Server. Managed via vSphere Client, web-based, or vCenter Server for centralized control of multiple hosts. Comparison. ISC's architecture is more polished and optimized for broad enterprise use, with a smaller footprint than Citrix Hypervisor. Citrix's Zen-based design is robust but slightly less streamlined, though it excels in VDI-focused environments. 3. Features and capabilities comparison. 1. VMware ISC offers a more comprehensive feature set, especially when paired with vSphere, catering to complex enterprise environments with advanced automation and scalability. 2. Citrix Hypervisor is competitive for VDI and simpler workloads, with strong GPU virtualization for graphics-intensive applications, but it lacks the depth of VMware's management and high availability features.